My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
It is the layers for me, darlings. The layered blowout look. I am absolutely already obsessed with this wig. Shouts out to Gorgius Hair because they sponsored today's video, and I cannot wait to share with you guys on how this unit was. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Okay, so we've already seen how the wig looks. Clearly, we see it is absolutely beautiful, giving that 90s style blowout vibe. Let's go ahead and break it down from the beginning to see how we can style this wig. So, with that being said, we are working with Gorgius Hair. Once again, shouts out to Gorgius Hair for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely, hands down, love working with them. They are a great brand and they have great quality wigs. So let's go ahead and jump into this particular unit. So let's go ahead and take it fresh out of the box. And look at those curls. Like, that is one of the absolute great benefits of using the Style Archive fiber. Let me just say, y'all, the new age technology of synthetic wigs is crazy. This is giving human hair vibes. We're so used to seeing the synthetic hair and it's like really, really shiny. Like, you can be like, baby, that wig is fake. You cannot tell with this unit, and that's what I absolutely love. Like, this unit, there's no shine to it. You don't have that super shiny, silky look. These curls are going to stay for the longevity of the wig. So you don't really have to worry about curling and styling and all of that. Literally, this unit is meant to just throw on your head and walk out the door. Let's go ahead and break down the interior of the wig. So this is a T-part wig, meaning that it is T-parted down the middle. So yes, you're only going to be able to wear this as a middle part, but it still has the lace all the way from the 13x4. So it actually will give that super nice, like, realistic look. And I love that it's ventilated. Do we just absolutely love the ventilated wigs nowadays? Because if you are anything like me, I have to scratch my scalp. It does have the combs and it has the adjustable bands around the back as well, so that you can make sure that it is fitted to your head. So let's go ahead and see what it's looking like if we were to just throw it on right now, straight out of the box. I mean, look at that. You don't have to do nothing to this wig, like, straight out of the box. All I did, and I'm finger combing it, it's already layered nicely. Look at that. And I haven't done anything else to it. I think, it is nice and full around the edges. It is pre-plucked. I mean, let me see if I can get closer. Hold on, let me scoot up. Okay, so around the hairlines, still a little fuller, which is completely okay. So what I'm going to do is actually probably pluck just a pinch more. Like I said, this wig is meant to throw on and go. It's not meant to be like a, you know, like you gotta do all of this manipulation. So let me just pluck just a little bit, just a little pinch, like this much. And I'll come back and I'll put it back on with the lace still on there so we can see the difference.
All right, so we are going to get the hot comb and turn it to 350 degrees. This unit can withstand heat up to, I believe, 360, but just to be on the safe side, I put it on 350 and it did absolutely well. No burning, no smells at all. Like I said, I told y'all this hair is giving human hair vibes. But anyway, I'm just taking off just a little bit of the area to do some very simple baby hairs. After the fact, I probably could have gone without them because I'm really not a baby hair person, but it's okay. We did just a little light layer, and then I went ahead and started plucking after I hot combed those straight, as you see me doing here. But anyway, when it comes to plucking, I did not do much. The goal here was not to have like a super plucked, hairline. I just wanted to add just a little bit of definition, because when I wear my hair down the middle, I kind of like that pushed back look and then let it kind of feather down instead of feathering straight down. And y'all just gonna see in a second. But anyway, Simple plucking. This is not a tutorial. I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but if you just pluck a line, skip a line, that's pretty much what I did. I normally would start a row behind and work my way to the front, but since I knew I wasn't going to do a whole lot of plucking, I just went ahead and started right in the front. As you can see here, this is how it turned out, very minimal. And so let's go ahead and jump right back into the video so we can put this wig on and see how it looks.
Okay, so I have finished customizing the wig as much as I want to. Like I said, we did not do a lot because the intention of this wig is to throw on and go. I am going to take my my lace tint spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this lace just a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna spray it on a brush so that I don't spray too much, because if you have ever used the lace tint in the can, baby, it spreads really quickly. See, I told y'all a little bit goes a long way. I barely sprayed anything. Okay, so like I said, I only customized just a little bit right where my part is, and that's only because I want the pushed up bang look. Like, I'll push it up and then kind of like let it fall like that. So I just wanted the hairline to look very, very natural. I'm going to put a little bit more foaming spray just up here so I can lay this down nice and neatly, tie it down, and then we'll go from there as far as just doing a little trim around the face.
So I just want to go ahead and reiterate here that this wig needs no customizations, okay? Like, as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I took this hair out of the box. You could trim that lace right on off, fluff it up, and it still is going to look just the same. But I wanted to frame just a little bit more just for the shape of my face. So what I did was I went in, just got those bangs, trimmed those just a little bit higher so I could have a nice roundness just around my cheeks and my eyes. I have really high cheekbones, and so I wanted that hair to kind of hit right where my cheeks were, and then feathered down just a little bit on both sides after that. Now, honey, I don't know if it's because of age or whatever. I don't know, but I haven't been wearing my hair as long anymore. I honestly wanted to take off a solid 10 inches off this hair and put it to my bra strap. But I was like, no, I really want to keep it a little bit longer, have that really nice layered look. So I took off, I think total maybe 3 inches from the bottom. And that 3 inches honestly was still long, but it just made the curls fall a little bit better. And then like I don't know, it was something about the layers. I just absolutely loved it. So I am glad that I decided to keep it longer instead of trimming it all down.
Icing cherry on top of the cake, like everything. This is me. I think that's why I'm so in love with this unit, because this is me all day long. I love body. I hate bone straight hair, even though I definitely wear it. I wear bone straight hair a lot now that I'm thinking about it, but this is my style. Give me some hair with some body and some volume. No extra like additional shine to it or anything like that. I already did a close-up, but this hair is amazing. So once again, thank you to Gorgius Hair for sponsoring today's video. And like I said, I am wearing it as a glueless unit. Probably will spray it down if I'm being honest, because I have a fairly larger head. And my glueless wigs tend to start sliding backwards. But other than that, I would do absolutely nothing different to this hair. I like that I took off maybe like 2 to 3 inches off of the bottom, gave it a little more fluff around the face so it could just frame it. I mean, it was already framed as it was. Don't get me wrong. I just added just a little bit more, just to kind of make it my personal style. But I am absolutely in love with this wig. So definitely make sure y'all check in the description box below, because I will have a coupon code and a direct link to this unit. Yeah, I feel cute, y'all. And I finally got my makeup right. Anyway, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this unit. If you have been here before, darling, then you already know what is coming next. But if you have not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos are going up on my channel. But anyway, that is all I have. Until next time, love.